You thought this video was clickbait, right? Who on earth would drink cow pee? Well, some Indians do, and today I'm going to proudly join them, and I'm going to give my own creation to India, the Karlji Kapili Anand Lassi. And let's see if we can get a few people to drink it as well. According to Indian Ayurvedic herbal medicine, Gau Mutra can help cure leprosy, abdominal cramps, and cancer. So let's jump on this bike behind me. We're going to go to the Patanjali store and buy some Gau Mutra. Okay, so as you can see, I'm at the Patanjali store now where they sell Gau Mutra, and you can see Patanjali's or Ramdev's face on the far side of this. He is credited with rejuvenating the practice of yoga in India actually, so he's a big guy and he's got these amazing herbal stores which only sell Ayurvedic herbal products. It's all natural products. जी Gau Mutra है?
हाँ जी नीचे मिलेगा सर।
नीचे है? ठीक है। हाय, गौ मूत्र है?
यस सर।
इसका स्वाद कैसा है? अच्छी है?
नॉर्मल है।
मिक्स विथ लस्सी के लिए है ना?
90% लोग यूज़ करते हैं।
90% लोग? हिंदुस्तान में?
यस।
हैं? बिल्कुल।
जिनको पता है ना
हाँ
कि रामदेव बाबा
जी, मुझे मालूम रामदेव बाबा
काफ़ी चीज़ों में इफेक्टिव होता है, काफ़ी चीज़ों में इफेक्टिव होता है बॉडी के पार्ट्स में।
ओके।
फॉर एग्जांपल वेट लॉस,
हाँ, और
बीमारियों से बचने के लिए स्विमिंग में लिया जाता है इसे खाली पेट स्टोमच।
हाँ, और कैंसर
तो उसके लिए
ये सुपर ड्रिंक है ना?
यस, बट अगर जिनको कैंसर ऑलरेडी हो चुका है उनके लिए इसके साथ जड़ी बूटियाँ भी लेनी पड़ती है। वो हमारे पास है, भस्म कहते हैं उसको।
कितना का है?
ओनली 50 रुपीज़।
हाँ, मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ।
ये वही मैं बोलने लगा था, देख लो।
क्या आप ये पीते हैं? क्यों?
ये भी बच्ची है, इनको जरूरत नहीं है।
हाँ,
जो
अच्छा।
ड्रिंक करते हैं या एजेड हो जाते हैं।
ओपन है इनको?
नो
है ना?
नो 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 नो
नहीं, क्यों?
ओनली 2 ढक्कन।
2 ढक्कन। And the crazy thing is, this stuff is more expensive than milk. It's double the price of milk. Milk's 40 rupees a litre, Gau Mutra is 80 rupees a litre. And basically it says on the packaging here that this is 100% pure cow urine, and it can be used for things like obesity, vitrog, whatever vitrog is, abdominal diseases, skin diseases, asthma and a cough. So it doesn't go right into saying it can be used for cancer. That's kind of insinuated online and by doctors who prescribe this Gau Mutra. Ram Ram ji.
राम राम
जी।
फॉरेनर राम राम करते हैं।
मैं फॉरेनर नहीं हूँ।
न्यूजीलैंड।
कालजी का पीली आनंद लस्सी मैं बनाऊंगा आज।
अच्छा।
हाँ, क्या आप पियेंगे?
बिल्कुल पियेंगे। व्हाई नॉट?
ओके, ठीक है। आई विल ब्रिंग इट। क्या?
200 का नोट है ना वो?
हाँ हाँ,
ध्यान नहीं रहता।
नया वाला ना? क्या आप गौ मूत्र पीते हैं?
मुद्रा?
हाँ, गौ मूत्र। गौ मूत्र।
अच्छा,
नहीं, क्यों?
हमें क्या काम, किस काम आता है?
इसके साथ मैं लस्सी बनाऊंगा।
अच्छा जी।
हाँ, नाइस ना?
पहली बार सुन रहे हैं।
हाँ, आप पियेंगे?
नो थैंक यू।
क्यों?
आई एम लंच टाइम।
ठीक है, ठीक है। So I'm here in my beautiful outdoor desi rasoi, but before we get to making my special lassi, we need to try this stuff, alright? Oh my god, it smells like right? Oh, it smells like a cow paddock mixed with pee. It's like disgusting. Alright, let's just drink it straight, eh? Here it goes. Doesn't taste like much actually. It tastes, it's not a pleasant taste, but it's like, I don't know, it doesn't taste like what I thought pee would taste like. It's hard to describe. It's got a real sting to it when you drink it though. It goes down your throat and your throat kind of burns a little bit. It's not a pleasant taste, it's not a nice taste, it's just doesn't taste like much taste. The smell is way worse than the taste. But anyway, let's get down to business and make my Karlji Ka special lassi. Lassi is really easy to make. It's basically half water, half yogurt, a little bit of rose water, tons of sugar, a lota, and this thing which is used to churn it and make it like thick and creamy. So start with the dahi. And we've got the yogurt here. So you open a yogurt packet in India. Just gonna add all the yogurt. Next we're gonna add in some water. So I've got about 300 grams of water here. And this recipe is gonna be in the description. And this water has a little bit of rose water in it too, to give it a little bit of flavor. And next we've got the Gau Mutra. And actually it's not yellow in color, it's white in color. It looks like water. And we'll put a little bit of that in to give it some flavor. Then we've got 5 tablespoons of sugar, so we're making about 1 liter of lassi here. And you just start stirring it like this. And it's basically making a yogurt drink. That's what we call it in English. And then finally we're just going to add in some ice to keep it cool. Auntie Ram Ram.
हेलो
Hello. कैसे?
बढ़िया
क्या कर रही है?
मैं
हाँ.
लौट मार रही हूँ सो रही
अच्छा.
हूँ।
मैंने लस्सी बनाई.
अच्छा
ये वाला स्पेशल लस्सी है ना.
हाँ.
ये काल जी का पहले आनंद लस्सी.
हाँ
ठीक है.
हाँ
इसमें गौमूत्र है.
अच्छा
क्या आप पियेंगे?
गौमूत्र
थोड़ा सा. हाँ गौमूत्र.
हाँ हाँ रामदेव का
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
वो तो
अच्छी नहीं है तो.
अच्छी नहीं है ए भाई
इसका स्वाद कैसा है? कैसी है?
नहीं है
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
छी छी
उह. और चाहिए? शाबाश आंटी. शाबाश.
डाल दिया ज्यादा डालो क्या
मैंने पी.
ठीक है
Ah, ठीक ठाक था. Okay, so it's Gaurav's turn to try the lassi now. Auntie's tried it. Have you ever tried this before?
No, not yet.
Never in your life.
No.
So people don't drink it every day here.
No. And it,
You don't drink it every day. Everyone in the comments is saying Indians drink kalpi every single day.
yeah, well, some Indians do, some don't. But
Not many though,
this
no?
one stinks exactly like cow urine. Wow.
It smells like you're in a cow shed, right?
yeah.
That's the smell.
Like how villages stink, right?
Uh-huh.
Exactly that.
Like mud and pee.
You want me to drink this?
Yeah, try. Kaise?
It's not bad. Actually.
Not as bad as you think, eh?
No.
It's a smell that's worse.
Yeah. It's
Smell
just
is
the
like
It's
10
just
times worse.
The aftertaste with the smell, only that's bad. But I think, yeah, this is good.
I drank a ton of
Yeah,
this
the
stuff.
aftertaste is a little, the smelly. But
Yeah, yeah.
I guess this is. Yeah.
Wait till you burp afterwards.
Oh, yeah.
Then it comes back. ये मेरा स्पेशल लस्सी है.
हाँ ले आए
इसमें गौमूत्र है. आप ये पियेंगे भाई? क्यों? गौमूत्र नहीं पसंद है? So what I learned today was most Indians aren't afraid of Gaumutra, but they're not drinking it every day. They're only taking it if an Ayurvedic doctor is prescribing it to them for some ailment. And you know, I'm not a doctor, so take my lassi recipe with a grain of salt. You know, I wouldn't tell anyone to go and drink this stuff. I simply did it because I wanted to try it. I wanted to see what the fuss was about. I wanted to know, you know, why are people drinking this? And, you know, at the end of the day, it's for the supposed health benefits.